Hey everybody, so wanted to give you a quick tip. I love practicing to a metronome, and it's really smart to practice to a metronome. You should, but sometimes I want to take the things that I'm practicing and I want to play them to real music, right? Um, and see if I can fit in what I'm practicing into the groove, the feel of an actual song. But I want to do it to songs in a certain tempo range, right? So if I'm working on something that's around 100 BPM, obviously I could put the metronome on and I could play to 100 beats per minute. But I want to find a song that's 100 beats per minute. And what I've done before is I've Googled what are songs that are, or popular songs that are 100 beats per minute. So I've done this before. And then I get this list and I'll go into Spotify and I'll find these songs and I'll add them. Like I'll create a drum tempos folder and I'll add these songs that I find on Google to those different playlists inside of that folder, right? So you can do that for sure. But there's this interesting thing called Organize Your Music. Um, See the URL right here, Organize Your Music. And you just connect your Spotify account. What do you want to organize? I tell it all of my music. Then you hit Organize Your Music. And it will go through your music and pull it all in. And then after this is done, I will actually be able to go through and set up different filters. And one of the things you can filter on is BPM, right? And then I filtered on BPM and plugged in different songs to these different playlists. I went from 70 up to 170 and went in, and you can see I've got a bunch of songs that are at these different tempos. And so when I'm done practicing with a metronome or I want to mix it up a little bit, I can just jump into one of these playlists and I can take what I've been learning and apply it to the groove, the feel of any one of these different songs. So, quick tip: give that a shot, and you will hopefully have some success with that. Oh, and coming back to the Organize Your Music interface, once it pulls in your music, sorry, my computer's kind of loud. You're probably hearing that fan whirring. But once you pull it in, it's going to look like this. You can filter based on different genres. Um, and then you can come over here to BPM. And I click BPM, and now you can see it filtered in ascending order. So there it is. Hope you have a great week. Happy drumming.